Welcome to Global Economic Press, where we deliver trusted global finance and economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. In today's episode, we delve into the world of red light therapy devices and the surprising findings from Outliyr's independent spectrometer tests. These tests reveal significant discrepancies between advertised and actual power outputs, raising important questions about transparency and consumer trust in the industry. Stay tuned as we explore the implications of these findings and what they mean for consumers and manufacturers alike. Outliyr's independent spectrometer tests find popular red light therapy devices delivering from 67% to nearly triple their advertised power. Two light therapy devices tested on a calibrated spectrometer at the same 12-inch distance their manufacturers advertise returned numbers far from the spec sheet. A full spectrum lamp measured nearly 3 times its published irradiance, while a red and near-infrared panel delivered as little as 67% of its advertised figure. The readings come from a new public testing database from Outliyr that places independent instrument measurements next to the marketing claims shoppers currently rely on. Red light therapy buyers spend anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s, largely on one number: irradiance, the measure of how much light a device delivers. Almost no brand publishes an independent measurement of it, and the first like-for-like comparisons suggest the advertised figures can miss in either direction, often falling short. The database catalogs more than 70 light therapy devices, most of them red and near-infrared panels and wearables, and publishes Outlyr's own spectrometer measurements for the units it has tested hands-on, 7 so far, with more in testing. Each tested device lists measured irradiance at a standardized 12-inch distance, peak wavelengths, electromagnetic field readings, flicker behavior, and price, so a shopper can compare on measured data instead of marketing copy. Brands compete on one number, and hardly any of them let you verify it, said Nick Urban, founder of Outliyr, a Czech functional health coach and a school of biohacking instructor. I bought a $2,000 spectrometer and started measuring panels myself. Some miss their numbers. Some beat them. Either way, the shopper deserves the measured figure before spending $1,000 on the advertised one. Testing follows a published protocol built on 5 instruments: a Hopu Color OASP 350R IR spectroradiometer for irradiance and full spectral output, a Hopu Color HPCS 330P flicker analyzer, a Cornet ED88T plus electromagnetic field meter, a Static Shield electromagnetic interference meter that reads dirty electricity in Graham-Stetzer units, and a wall power meter for electrical efficiency. All sit inside the Outliyr testing lab, a public registry of 20 calibrated instruments across 10 measurement domains, whose thermal imaging camera and digital oscilloscope also measure each panel's heat distribution and power supply integrity. Each panel is measured at 5 points in a cross pattern: center, top, bottom, left, and right, after a 15-minute warm-up in a blackout environment, and tested devices are remeasured on a 6 to 12-month cadence. The database is free to browse in the Light Therapy Device Comparison Database, and the full testing methodology and equipment list is public. Red light devices that are tested hands-on can also earn an Outliyr verified record, a public code-verifiable ledger of the measured data. The complete data set with custom data slices and commentary for reporters lives in Outlyr's open data library, free to republish with attribution.